Hi everybody, Jake here at DMAX Store, and today we have this 2022 GMC Sierra AT4 HD that we did a whole bunch of work on over at Duramax Service Center. So we've got these 20x10 fuel sledge wheels on some 35, 12, 50, 20 Toyo MT tires. This is really an awesome mud tire that has been around in the industry forever. It's a really good tire. We like them. We have them on a handful of our trucks. In order to fit these 35s, we did do a Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit with the Fox 2.5 reservoir shocks. Now these are dual speed compression adjustable, so you've got your high speed and low speed compression that you can adjust on the knobs under the truck here. It comes with the Kryptonite control arms that allow for more dropout, so you're not slamming that cast factory control arm on the frame stop. I've seen those crack, and that is not a good move. That causes major issues. So these Kryptonite control arms here going to give you a little bit better droop, and you're not going to be slamming that control arm on the frame stop, causing a harsh ride inside. So overall, this is a really good package. Delivers a better than factory ride in my opinion, as long as you don't turn it up too much. You do have these guys turn it up to 3 inches. That's just too much. It's still not going to ride good if you do that, no matter what shocks you put on it. Stay under that 2-inch mark and you'll be very happy. Moving on to the front here, we have a Chassis Unlimited Attitude Series bumper with the Baja Designs Squadron fog lights. We've got the yellow here, the clear here, and then we have a worn winch, and we have a front light bar as well. That's going to be a curved light bar that fits directly into the bumper there. Everything looks very good. Gives it a lot more aggressive off-road look for this customer on his AT4. Coming around to the back here, we also did the Chassis Unlimited rear bumper. This is also the Attitude Series. These are 3-piece bumpers. Everything is fabricated and made in California. Super cool company, so go ahead and check them out. They make some really high quality products. Really just gives it a lot more beefy look without really giving up the functionality. You still have the side step here, functions great, and is just a lot heavier duty than those factory bumpers. We also have the reverse lights. These are all run off of the RLB Pro 8 switch panel. Pretty cool one. We do offer the Switch Pros on dmaxstore.com if you guys are looking for a multi-functional switch. These things are awesome. We've got them in a lot of our Razors and a lot of our other trucks and been super happy with them so far. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this, and we'll catch you next time.